Hi. So in this video, let's discuss about how to add the blog posts. We call them as news articles also. Yeah, articles, bloggings. Yep. So this kind of things, the blog post and content where the user so reads the entire content and gives a comment. Like in the Hindustan Times website, we read the news articles right like that, or else the blog posts so where we post about our company details here like this in the blog page we have all these blogs. So this is a client website actually, so for the demo purpose I am showing it. And you can add the products also here. Yes. So if the client if the what if the client want to purchase the product from Amazon, you can give the link here. You can add the products also here. So I'm going to show you now. So how to do that? Simply go to the dashboard. Once you logged in with your credentials, username and password, kindly check in the group. You will get the username and password and log in here. So once you open the dashboard, kindly don't go through anything. So the only thing we needed is posts. That's it, nothing else. So don't click on anything else. Simply click on posts. Yes, it will open the posts in your website now. Yeah, all the posts in your website. So we have the post here, some demo posts. So to delete any article post in your website, simply click on trash button. So it will delete in the entire website. It won't be visible to anyone. It is deleted. Simply click on trash. It will be deleted. That's it. To add any new post, the article, news article, or the product thing also, simply click on add new post. It will open like this. Yes. And here we have to enter the title. Yes, the blog post title we call it. So what is the blog post title? The eye catching title of it. What is the news article title? Like India and Pakistan match. That is the news article title. So we can enter like this. And you want to enter the blog post like best 10 products for hair. Like that you can enter, and you can write the blog post here. That is the title. And here we can write the blog post. Yes, just enter the text that you wanted, copy paste it and type it. And yeah, to add any new kind of elements, simply click on enter. So you will get the black button here. Simply click on enter and you will get this black button. Then you can add the whatever you wanted image. If you want to add an image, simply click on image and upload the image. And you can enter what edit the width also, the image width also you can edit it like this. And you can add whatever you wanted here. Simply click on blue button and browse all elements. Whatever you want to add an audio, you can add it. File, you can add it. Video, you can add it. Anything. So you can add it here. And yes, paragraphs, the text list also you can add anything. So description like this you can add. And most people want the button sometimes. Okay, so when they click on that button, it has to redirect to somewhere else like products. Yeah, you can enter your Amazon product link here also. So kaise, simply click on this button and search for button. So this is the button element. Click on it and the button will be added here. And give the name of the button. Name of the button like buy now is the name of the button. When they click on this button, it has to redirect to some link, right? Like your product link in Amazon. So here we have the link option. Link, simply click on this option and enter the link you wanted, whatever link you wanted, the product link. So if anyone clicks on this button now, it will redirect to the link, the Amazon product link, whatever link you have given, it will redirect it. So that's how we can add the affiliate products also. And the blog posts also you can add it like this, and videos also, articles also. So you can add it here, the content. And coming to the right side, we have something here. So right side, so firstly click on post. It is important, click on post and set the featured image. Sorry. And set the featured image. So what is featured image means? So featured image is the main image where they see the blog post. If we are reading the India versus Pakistan match thing, the image has to be there, right? Some image has to be there. Then only they will click on that blog post. Then only they will open that blog post by seeing that image. That image is the main image, that is called as future image. I will show you in a while. So give the image, yes, it is mandatory. Set a future image, whatever image you want, set it as future image. So I recommend go with 16 is to 9 aspect ratio for the future image. 16 is to 9 aspect ratio, that is YouTube size. Yes, YouTube thumbnail size. So maintain the same format for every future image. Yes. So if you are adding any what product also here, products also, give the product image here. The product image has to be here. So give the format 16 is to 9 is good. Yep. So once you give the product image or the future image, whatever, give it here and scroll down. You will get options like category. You have to select, yes, category. So what category it will belongs to? So the categories might be created already. You can select multiple categories. So you can add new category also from here. Simply click on this button and add the new category. So blog I am selecting, and tags also you can add it, multiple tags. And yes, final step, click on publish. Yes, click on publish here. Yes, the blog post is now live. Yes, it is on live now. So if you click on view post, you can read the blog here. So this is the future image, I told you, right? So this is the future image. This image is the future image, and this is the title we have given. Title and description also we have given here. So they will open like this, and they will read the thing here, description and all they will read. And yes, they can give a comment also here, and buy now also they can do. This is the button we added, right? The button, if they click on this button, it will redirect to the particular link you have given. So that's how it works actually. So that's how we add the blog post. And if you want to remove the blog post anything, simply go to post and click on trash, so it will be deleted. Yep. So thanks for listening, and yep, have a nice day.